Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, good,
Salam
eve-
wabarakatuh.
good evening, Mr. Johannes and everyone. Today we are from Group 9. We will presentation about can I talk to Dr. James and Person Perfect Progressive. I will introduce our group start from me. My name is Muhammad Lutfi Sugiarto, and then Melva Juwita Rosmata, and then Maria, and then Ellen, and the last Intan Kurniasari. Okay, we will start about the presentation. Conversation: a patient wants to meet Dr. James.
Good morning. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment to see the doctor.
Have you been to come here, miss?
Yes, I have. I had an examination 6 months ago.
Okay. What is your name?
Venice Hamilton.
Thank Miss Hamilton. I'm one search your file. Next, Anton. This is it. Can you describe
Okay.
your heart concern?
Slide-nya belum terlihat ya. Aduh, maaf ini lagi pulang kampung jadi sinyalnya lup-lup.
Udah belum, Kak?
Ya.
Lagi ya. This is it. Can you describe your health concern?
I have in it that I need the doctor to look at.
Have you been feeling any joint aches and fever with that rash?
No, I don't. It just aches a lot.
Fine. Do you want urgent care?
No, not necessary. I just need to see the doctor soon. Can I see Dr. James today at 2?
Opportunity, he is not available at point 200. How about at a point 400? He is available at 4.00.
It's okay.
Or maybe if you want to see the Dr. Sooner, Dr. Smith, it's available at 2.00.
I would like to meet Dr. Jim. It's okay if I need to see him at 400.
Okay, then I will write your in Dr. James' schedule. He will see you at reschedule appointment time.
Thank you very much.
You are very welcome, Miss Hamilton. Thank you, Kanton. Next.
Okay, for the reading text, Alzheimer disease. Alzheimer disease, also known in the medical literature as Alzheimer disease or ED, is the most common from the dementia. There is a not cure for the disease, which worsens as a progress and eventually leads to death. More often, AD is a diagnosis in the people over 65 years of age, although the less prevalent early onset Alzheimer can occur much earlier. In 2006, there were 26.6 million sufferers worldwide. Alzheimer predict to affect in 1 in the 85 people globally by 2050. Although Alzheimer disease develop differently for every individual, there are many common symptoms. Early symptoms are often mistakenly thought to be related conservers of the manifestation of the stress. In the early stage, the most common symptom is difficulty in remembering the recent event. When AD is suspected, the diagnosis is usually confirmed with the test that evaluate behavior, thinking abilities, often followed by a brain scan in available. Penyakit Alzheimer juga dikenal dengan literatur medis sebagai penyakit Alzheimer atau AD atau AD adalah bentuk paling umum dari demensia. Tidak ada obat untuk penyakit ini yang semakin memburuk sehingga seiring perkembangannya dan akhirnya menyebabkan kematian. Lebih sering AD didiagnosis pada orang yang berusia di atas 65 tahun. Meskipun Alzheimer dini orang umum dapat terjauh dari lebih awal, pada tahun 2006 terdapat 2,6 juta penderita di seluruh dunia. Alzheimer diperkirakan akan mempengaruhi 1 dari 85 secara global pada tahun 2050. Meskipun penyakit Alzheimer berkembang secara berbeda untuk setiap individu, ada banyak gejala umum. Gejala awal yang sering keliru dianggap sebagai kekhawatiran, berkaitan dengan usia atau manifestasinya stres. Pada tahap awal, gejala yang paling umum adalah kesulitan untuk mengingat kejadian baru-baru ini. Ketika dicurigai AD, diagnosa yang biasanya dikonfirmasi dengan tes mengevaluasi perilaku, kemampuan berpikir seiring diikuti dengan pemindahan otak jika tersedia. Next, as the disease advance, symptoms can include confusion, irritability, and aggression. Mood swing. Kenapa, Kak? Oke, lanjut. Trouble with language and long-term memory loss. As the sufferer declines, they often withdraw from family and society. Gradually, bodily function are lost, ultimately leading to death. Since the disease is different from each individual, predicting how it will affect the person is difficult. AD develop for an unknown and variable amount of the time before become fully apparent, and it can progress undiagnosed for the years. On the average, the life expectancy following diagnosis is approximately 7 years. Fewer than their percent of the individual life more than 14 years after diagnosis. Adult stem cell therapy will provide a cure by compensating the lost neural systems. Stem cell exhibit target migration toward the damaged region of the brain, where they aggravate, proliferated, and mature into function neurons. Neural precursor cell can be intravenously administered and yet migrate to the brain damage area and include function recovery. Seiring dengan perkembangan penyakit, gejalanya bisa termasuk kebingungan, lekas marah, dan agresi, sayap suasana hati, masalah dengan bahasa, dengan kehilangan ingatan jangka panjang. Sebagai penderita, menurunnya mereka sering menarik diri dari keluarga dan masyarakat. Secara bertahap, fungsi tubuh akan hilang, akhirnya menyebabkan kematian. Karena penyakit ini berbeda untuk setiap individu, memprediksi bagaimana hal yang akan mempengaruhi orang itu akan sulit. AD berkembang untuk waktu yang tidak diketahui dan bervariasi sebelum menjadi jelas sepenuhnya dan dapat berkembang tanpa terdiagnosis selama bertahun-tahun. Rata-rata harapan hidup setelah terdiagnosis adalah sekitar 7 tahun. Kurang dari 3% individu hidup lebih dari 14 tahun setelah didiagnosis. Terapi sel stem atau sel induk dewasa akan memberikan penyembuhan dengan mengkompensasi sistem saraf yang hilang. Sel punca menunjukkan migrasi yang ditargetkan ke otak yang akan rusak, di mana mereka dicangkokkan, berkembang biak, dan dimatangkan menjadi neuron fungsional. Sel-sel prekursor saraf dapat diberikan secara intravena, namun berimigrasi ke area otak yang rusak dan menginduksi pemulihan fungsional. Oke, for the present perfect progressive, please Kak Intan.
Present perfect progressive. Present perfect progressive tense atau present perfect continuous tense adalah suatu bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan aksi yang telah selesai pada suatu titik di masa lalu atau aksi yang dimulai di masa lalu dan terus berlanjut sampai sekarang. Rumus present progressive tense atau present perfect continuous tense. Pola kalimat present perfect progressive tense terbagi menjadi 2 rumus, yaitu verbal present perfect progressive tense dan nominal present progressive tense. Next. Fungsi present perfect progressive. 1. Menunjukkan aksi yang telah selesai. The structure library are interesting since the have been removing the scaffolding. Many feels full as sin been eating half of the tar. Yang kedua, menunjukkan aksi yang baru saja selesai. For example, sorry, you are late. He has just been going to the airport. Please take off your shoes because I just have been sweep on the floor. 3. Menunjukkan aksi yang telah dimulai pada masa lampau. Pada masa lampau, I have been driving a car to the rain for an hour. The passenger have been waiting for the next flight since this morning. Next, correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction are used in Paris, then many to be used to join two basic sentences pattern or to parallel either blah 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 or neither blah 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 nor both blah 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 and not only blah 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 but also. There are example correlative conjunction used to join both sentence apart and whole sentences. Neither you will tell me the truth, or I will see you. She is neither smart or delight. Both my mother and my father like cooking. She is not only smart, but she is also the delight. Next, two subject connecting by both blah 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 take a plural verb. For example, both my mother and my father are here. Both my sister and my brother are so cute. When two subjects are connected by not only blah 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 but also or either or neither nor, there are that the subject is closer to be verb determine whatever the verb is singular or plural. For example, neither my sister nor my mother is here. Neither my brother nor my parents are here. Not only my mother, but also my father is here. Not only my brother, but also my parents are here. Next. Nouns is the word of name something atau kata benda. Adjective adalah kata sifat yang menerangkan kata benda. Dan adverb adalah menerangkan verb atau kata keterangan yang juga dipakai untuk mengekspresikan waktu. Next. Time signal of present perfect time. Progressive. For example, since, for, word day, for, so far, every since lately, all day, all the morning, all my life since 8 o'clock for over 5 years. Next. Verbal present perfect progressive. The formula is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing plus
Complement or
complement
object
object
or adjective.
adjective. For the formula for negative tense, subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus verb ing plus complement or object or
Adjective.
adjective. Okay. Untuk kalimatannya bisa the formula is has or have plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus adjective complement or object. For example, I have been waiting for 2 hours. Negative tense, I have not been waiting for 2 hours. Untuk pertanyaan, I have been waiting. Have you been waiting for 2 hours? Another example, my grandparents have been drinking coffee. Negative tense, my grandparents have not been drinking coffee. Contoh pertanyaan, have my parents been drinking coffee? Next. The formula for nominal present perfect progressive. The formula for positive tense, subject plus has or have plus been plus being plus noun adjective on adverb. For negative tense, subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus being plus noun or adjective or adjective. Untuk kalimat tanya, has or have plus subject plus been plus being plus noun or adjective. For example, they have been being polite with me. Negative tense, they have even been being polite with me. Untuk kalimat tanya, have they been being polite with me? Next.
Oke, sekarang kita lakukan sesi tanya jawab ya dari kelompok 9. Ayo Bapak Ibu yang bisa menjawab sebentar.